Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 8022 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to type in HP OfficeJet 8022 support. I'll go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8022 all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down and HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software. Select the download button. And then once it's downloaded to your device, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Just give it a moment here. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes to proceed and then just walk through the on-screen wizard here. It's a pretty straightforward process, guys. Just get it configured based on your preferences, whether you want a wired or wireless-based setup. And if you want to have additional software installed alongside the printer, you can do that too. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.